here at Milcom 2014 in San Diego. I'm here with Yusuf Sabadia, Director of Development in Europe for Sabtech. I'd like to ask a few questions. Companies like Sabtech need to stay on top of emerging technologies. Besides this conference, what other trade associations, other resources do you guys use to stay on top of things? And also, is there any particular technology area that you guys feel is most critical for you now?
Yeah. Yes, Jeff. We do. I think it's important for us, for our company, to always be on top of what's going on in our marketplace, in our industry. So we try to attend and also exhibit at some of the shows. So besides Milcom, we go regularly to Sea, Air and Space show, as well as the FCA show. And we've also started since this year to go abroad, and we've had our first exhibition this year at the DSCI show in London as well. And we're hoping to continue doing that as well. So I think that's important for us, and we're also trying to encourage our engineers, for example, to come and attend so that they are aware of what's going on, because we do get a lot of discussions going on with other providers and also other potential customers or people who are interested. So that's always brings us forward. So so I think it's important to be there.
Now you probably have more knowledge than most people about Europe. I mean, how is the defense business in Europe different from the U.S. business these days?
Well, there's one thing, I had recently some discussion with some of our customers, in Europe, and trying to explain to them that, what's going on this year with the sequestrations and budgetary restraints that they are. Well, they tell us, well, that's been our conditions in the last 10 years, in the whole landscape. So nowadays the commercial technology has, and the rate of technology change has been much faster. The product life cycles are much shorter, and versus the military technology that still has a requirement for longer life
it could be 10 years or more, 20 years sometimes.
Exactly. So that's a dilemma for the Navy. On the one hand, they need to have the cutting edge technology, which is I think pushed more by the commercial application. At the same time, it needs to maintain this requirement for long life cycles, to have reliable products. So they are trying to adjust that, by integrating COTS technology and so on, and we try. And I think that's an opportunity. And I think the challenge is trying to find the right balance between the two. And I think there are still people scratching their heads with that. But I think within the next decade or so, I think there'll be more of a standardized path in this technology.
Well, I think just for example, like display technology, I was looking at your booth. You have a great looking display there. That would never have been developed by the military. That has to be leveraged from the consumer market. Otherwise, it would never would have happened.
But as the demand grows for this technology, more and more manufacturers and vendors are also interested in catering to the requirements of the military. So slowly, you do find mill standards and more products that fulfill the requirements of the defense industry.
Yeah, sure. My last question for you. You're a leading participant at the military industry. Is there anything new at your company that you want to talk about today? Or?
Well, yeah, sure. We've got a lot of innovative solutions at the moment, and a lot of new designs in our pipeline as well. Currently, we're just releasing a new range of our NTDS boards, the Super Swift, which is quite a revolution from what we've had so far. our new boards, new Super Swift boards, they have, besides just offering an interface, cards for NTDS, for legacy data links, we also provide now on boards more intelligence. So it's a system on chip, providing processing capability for customers, which opens up a wide range of applications in a very compact PCI Express format, or so this is, I think, just one of the first products which is coming out.
Yeah.
And we're doing much more in this regard, trying to blend in the need for intelligence in a product, as well as the continuity of providing reliable data communication solutions.
Very good. Well, thanks so much. Appreciate your time.
Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.
Thank you.